Hello, my name is Steven Aron Mondragon Flores, and now I want to share with you my project. In this case, this is the to-do API. We have the link of render. How do you see it is work? We have the repo and GitHub. Um, we work with the dependencies of test and sorry, with Jest and the Supertest. Okay, well, here in this part, the first step is I install the dependencies. So you can see here, uh, just sorry, so you can see here, yeah. So you can see here, I have Jest and the super test to work and to test all the endpoints. Now I want to share with you this case the different. We create the different files for test, the different categories, the different collections. In this case, we have four collections. We have categories, projects, tasks, and users. And we create the categories test, the project test, the task test, and the user test. And we create, we test two different methods. In this case, the get all method and the get task by ID method. We have that testing in all the with all the endpoints and with all the collections. In this case, we have use Supertest uh, because we want to connect with the MongoDB database. We want to test that the information that we have is in the database, right? Okay, now we have this describe the categories get endpoints, and we have the test. They get the categories that we need to use to return all the categories, and we have the await and request the app and the category section, and we have all the information of them. The same is with the categories by ID. We have one category or one specific field or one specific item of the list. In this case, we have the request to add the specific to category section. The first item is like the position 0 in the JSON file or in the array. And we have the if conditional for after specific first item of them. It's the same with the project. It's the same with the task. It's the same with the user section. So you can see that it works. Um, Now, I want to share with you the different structure of the project. In this case, we divide the project in middlewares, in controllers, and in routes. In this case, we have the out, the categories, the index, the project, etc. Something that is easy to test the information is we have to separate the different functions and with the different action of that function in the different file. That that uh, is that make more easy to test the information in this part because in this case we have only the functions and only the routes to execute the functions. But in another section, in specific in controllers, we have a specific the functionality of the section, and we have I don't know, we have the different rest status, we have the different and another information that we need. But the function, specifically the function, we have in this part, we have the in the routes. That is the test will test when we run the program. Now, okay, now I will share with you that it works. We have the npm test, and how you can see that it runs. That is, yeah. So you can see here, we passed all the routes and we have all the tests. This case category test, pass, connected to Mongo, and with the different information that I need. Okay, we have the project test, and we have the different information here, and connected to Mongo too, and task test, and we have all the information. Well, that is all my project. So you can see here, test is a good tool to test all the different information, specifically when you only want to work in the terminal. Well, thank you and see you until next time.